Paul Lawruk with Cadre Wire and Cable. I'm the president. Been there for about 3 years, but been involved with Cadre since they opened roughly 10 years ago. So Cadre Wire and Cable is a distributor of wire and cable, and then also products that go along with it, grounding lugs and accessories of that nature. So for the last decade or so, we've been in a number of different markets, but the biggest things we're in are OEM, industrial battery, and the cell tower industry. Cadre's been with Rubicon since the day it opened. Our founder, Brian Holtzman, had dealings with Rubicon in the past, so he knew that as he started Rubicon, the first thing he needed was a great operating system, and there was no other choice, there was no other option. He called Mike right away and said, "Can you help us? Can you get us set up?" So it has helped us immensely. We had the advantage of coming in that the people that were starting the company knew Rubicon, knew it was a tool that was going to help them grow and succeed. So some of the first dollars they had, they invested into that as opposed to inventory or something of that nature, and it's proven to be hugely beneficial. We can point to a number of things we do today because we have Rubicon in the process we started from the beginning. It is our backbone of how we do business. The scalability of your system is very apparent to us. Again, we have, myself included, there's a number of people who work at Cadre who have worked other places and were familiar with Rubicon at different size companies. And I think it's something I've mentioned to Mike in the past, actually, at this Rubicon meeting, that I think you guys should do a better job of promoting that. You have companies that have 1 and 2 employees, you have companies that have 500 employees and do over $1 billion. We know, we've given asks before when other companies call us and say, "Hey, do you know this? How do you know this can scale with your business?" Well, we know that it can get over $1 billion and hundreds of employees because we see our friends that are here, there's vendors of ours, there's customers of ours that use Rubicon. So from that perspective, we see the scalability, and just on top of that, every time we come to this meeting, every upgrade, there's something that directly impacts us that we have stated, "Hey, can you guys change this? Can you improve that?" And Rubicon does an unbelievable job of listening to its customers. And I would say every year we come to this, there's something that we directly ask for that you guys have directly changed or fixed to scale it for us, which is amazing. I'm Paul Lawruk with Cadre Wire and Cable, and we appreciate everything Rubicon does for us.